Oh, we've got a Kia Picanto. See the left front wheel, vehicle speed, range, performance, intermittent. So we'll clear the code just now. We know it's the left front. Well, we're here. Oh, need ignition on for that actually. Ignition on. So we'll clear the fault code on it. We'll get it up and up. We'll get the drive shaft out. We're going to replace the two boots and the ring. We've already replaced the near side front ABS sensor as the wire was broken on it, so we need to charge this actually, so stick that there just now. I'll get it on the charge. We'll just leave this bit in, unplug it so there's a plug in the battery. Turn off. Okay, this is not turn off for whatever reason. So start it up, make sure the light doesn't come on. It shouldn't do, it should only come on once you get above 10 mph, 7 mph. ABS should be activated. Sorry, it's not on at the minute, so nothing I've said about the handout, but yeah, that seems to be fine. I'll go touch that. Right, so we'll get it on the ramp. You see the ABS light's not come on, so we'll get that drive shaft changed. So, kiapicanto, got a drive shaft out it, just got a bucket under it. I've got the fluids back up. So, a gearbox oil is like brand new, there's no point in draining all of that out. I had a gearbox not long ago. So we'll try and save what we can. So you can see the boot's all split there, and the boot isn't going to be long until it's all split there, it's all perished. So we'll take it to them. You can't remove this CV on these if I remember right from my time in Kia. So we'll get this coupling off. We need to change this boot anyway, and we'll see if we can get the roller coupling off it with the bearings out it, and see if we can just slide the boot on this way. I've taken this back out and I wanted to inspect all of this drive shaft ring, but I don't see any splits on it. I think maybe somebody's did it before. I did check it before, but what I did find when I took it back out was there was a little bit of metal just stuck on the end of the sensor. So I don't know if that's maybe been interfering with the signal. So, and it was telling us that it was intermittent range performance. So usually that is the ring, but I don't see any split on it anywhere. So it's not been done. It looks really good considering the age of the car. So we'll crack on get the boot off, see how we get that bit off. Right guys, so I've had that up on the bench. See, you take this coupling off, there's a clip on there, and then you can chap the roller bearings off. So don't chap on the bearings, just chap on the actual bit that's on the shaft. You can see then that allows you to take the boot off of this end and get a new boot on. So we'll get all that cleaned up. We'll get the new boot on it. So we've got two new boots. I do have a new ring there, but I'm not going to touch the ring. There's nothing wrong with it, so I'm going to leave it just now. I don't want to change it and then there is an issue. So we'll put this sensor back in now that we've taken that metal off it, and we'll clean all the hub up now that the shaft's right out, and we'll have a better look and just make sure everything's all good. We'll put it back together and hopefully that's it. Hopefully, but now we can get these shafts all new booted up, so we'll get the new boots on there. So if you haven't already guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't hit the sorry blippers, so if you haven't already, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and have a great day. Okay, that's the outer boot on, and I've had to trim it down to size as well. So you see it's messy stuff, man. We've got the brake cleaner out, so 2 degrees, we've greased that one. Do this one up on the bench and we'll come back. So thanks for watching again guys. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and have a great day. So there we go, one Kia Picanto gearbox and shaft. Right, we'll get this bad boy back in now, give it all the juice, all the gearbox and oil. We'll get all the gearbox and oil in there. We've already cleared the fault code, we've seen that. We'll give it a little road test, hopefully a little Kia Picanto SA model is all good. So thanks for watching again guys. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, have a great day. Okay.